The Effect Control panel in Adobe Premiere Pro is where you can fine-tune and customize the effects applied to your clips. Here's what you can do with it. 1. View applied effects. When you select a clip in the timeline, the Effect Controls panel displays all the effects currently applied to that clip. 2. Adjust effect settings. You can modify the settings of each effect. For example, you can change the intensity of a color correction effect, adjust the parameters of a blur effect, or tweak the settings of an audio effect. 3. Animate effects with keyframes. You can add keyframes to animate the effect parameters over time. For instance, you can gradually increase the brightness of a clip or make an object move across the screen. 4. Basic motion controls. The panel also includes basic motion controls like position, scale, rotation, and opacity, allowing you to adjust how the clip appears in the frame. 5. Manage presets. You can save your customized effect settings as presets to apply them to other clips quickly. The Effect Controls panel gives you precise control over the effects and animations, making it a powerful tool for enhancing your video projects.